Hello, Accounting and Finance Business 600A students. My name is Professor Rick Hassey, and I'm your instructor this summer term in the College of Business and Public Management. I'd like to welcome you all. This is my weekly introduction video to our studies for the week. This class is a online remote class, meaning we will meet every Monday from 6 to 8, 9 o'clock. It will be recorded, and that recording will be posted to our Blackboard site. But it is a requirement of this class to come to our remote sessions. If you cannot make classes, just let me know in advance, and I can make sure you have all the information you need for that week's work. But we will be meeting every Monday evening in a recorded class lecture and session. Every weekend prior to the week's work, I will post these introduction videos, just giving you information about our studies for the week, any information about assignments that we're going to be doing this week, and so on. I am speaking live and in color from Accounting and Finance Central in Claremont, California. Again, my name is Professor Rick Hassey, and I welcome you all to our studies this summer. As you can see, our agenda this week is to introduce the language of accounting. For many of us, accounting is a strange animal, and we'll be learning about accounting and finance both in this class to get you prepped for your MBA studies. We'll introduce the course this week. We'll talk about some problems you're going to be doing next week. You also have a graded assignment this week in a discussion post. I'll show you that in just a minute. But these agendas are posted in Blackboard and give you information about what to expect in our discussions in the coming week. A couple things you need to be aware of as we begin our studies is first of all, our course syllabus. I've sent it to you via email. It's also located in Blackboard. I'd like you to spend some time this week and get to know it. One of the issues with remote learning is sometimes students do not get engaged and understand what entirely the professor is doing during the course of the class. This hopefully solves that problem. Read the syllabus. As you can see, we're meeting every Monday evening from 6 to 9 p.m. in a video format, in a lecture format on Zoom. Here's the link to those sessions right here. You click on that and you're in every Monday evening. Our class is a bunch of classes or a bunch of campuses rolled into one. We have students here from our Burbank campus, from our Point Mugu campus near Ventura, from our Ventura campus, from Vandenberg Air Force Base. Hooah! Nice to see the our Air Force people involved, and we have students from our Ontario campus in this class. Again, we have office hours every Thursday evening from 6 to 8 p.m. If you'd like to go over any material, I'm available then, but also I'm available anytime during the course of the week. So I want you to get to know Blackboard. Here's the Zoom link for those office hours on Thursday. We have a YouTube site where I post all the videos, a specific playlist in YouTube. You click on this link, you go to our YouTube playlist, and you can go to our class Business 600A, Accounting and Finance, and in our playlists, and you can see the videos of our recording class sessions, of videos about explaining our coursework taken from our text, all kinds of information that you can do on your own time to review for this class. Very important. So get to know our syllabus. Here's our textbook, the Wild Shaw ninth edition of Financial and Managerial Accounting. It is necessary for this course to have this textbook. If you're having difficulties obtaining it, it's too expensive or whatever, please let me know as soon as possible. It's very important because we're going to start doing problems and work next week in this text, and to not have it is a key thing for me, the professor, to know and how we can work around that. So please let me know. Here's our course objectives week by week, which gives you a good highlights of the course and what we're going to try to work on. Our grading, we have class participation, a case study, which is a project paper, assignments, midterm exam, and a final comprehensive exam. And here's the explanation of all those things. Please read them. Some University of Laverne academic policies, University of Laverne information, but the most important page probably after this is our course schedules, the chapters and materials we will be undertaking during the course of our term. Notice all the things in yellow here are graded work. They're all due every Sunday evening by midnight. As you can see, we have a discussion forum this week and we're talking about chapter 1, but so on. If any of you have any questions or concerns about this, we'll be reviewing this material week by week in our Monday evening lectures. We'll be providing PowerPoints for every chapter, reading material, videos for you to review, and my lectures on Monday nights, which will be recorded. So please get to know Blackboard and your course syllabus these early days of our course. Speaking of Blackboard, here's our Blackboard site, a lovely summertime setting here in my mobile office with a nice cold beverage. I won't tell you what's in that glass. And our computers where we do most of our work this summer term. So please get to know Blackboard, get to know each one of these sections. As you can see, the course is set up week by week, but I'll be adding more information and more material as we move along. Here's our first week information, our agenda, our discussion post, some chapter review and outlines, and we'll talk about this in my Monday evening lecture. First of all, here's our course syllabus, our course schedule. You can quickly click on that and gives you our course schedule for you for a quick reference if you need it. Some hard files in a Word doc and PDF format of our syllabus, which you already have. Some information about your professor and our student hours, an ugly pandemic mugshot of me, and my bio, and some additional information for you to help you in this course. Whenever I post an email, it's automatically posted to our announcement section so you can keep abreast of any information. I know it's a summertime. Some of you don't check your email very regularly, but when you go to Blackboard, you get an up-to-date any information that I have posted via email. Here's our Zoom and YouTube links for our lectures on Monday night. You click on that and you're at our lecture on Mondays. And here's our office hours that you can click on for our office hours on Thursday. Here's the class discussion forum where you can post questions and concerns to me that I'll get back to you on. And our first week's work, which is also located in our week number 1, right there. You have to do a biography of yourself, a little bio about yourself, plus look up and select a Fortune 500 company for us to work on during the course of our term. And I'll talk more about this in my Monday lecture. So Blackboard, the syllabus are your key components this week to get off with a good start in this accounting and finance. This is a unique class. It's combining about 6 weeks of accounting and 4 weeks of finance. A lot of material, a lot of great information to help you in your MBA studies. So we're off and running. The week 1 topic is the language of accounting. Getting to know what accounting is. God help us. Only teasing. Again, my name is Rick Hassey, and I look forward to working with you this summer. Some of you I know already, but look forward to working with you again and meeting some new students in our program. And I look forward to working with you all. We'll see you all on Monday evening at 6 o'clock. I usually turn on my Zoomathon at 5:30, put on some lovely music, and get ready for the class. But again, my lectures begin a little bit after the 6 o'clock hour on Mondays. So look forward to working with you all. Get to know Blackboard, enjoy and get to know our syllabus, and we'll see you all in accounting and finance. Adios.